Netanyahu, my thoughts rise to heaven. My message is clear, direct and unbridled. Listen well, my words are a song, a direct arrow to the point I tell you in song. You are strong, brave, as a servant of Adam. I trust in him, not in man, because in the end manifested he will guide you. With the eye as your shield, nothing will stop you. Do not put your trust in those who dress themselves in power, because man makes mistakes he cannot understand, because he wants to find his own way, as Jeremiah 17:5 said well, and it says it very clearly. Cursed is the man who has trusted in another man. Your Elohim is strong, he is your refuge, your being. He will lift you up, you will not fear at dawn. The sword in your hand, the shield covers you. No one will be able to stop you from what the Creator has given as an inheritance. Netanyahu, my thoughts rise to heaven. My message is clear, direct and without restraint. Listen well, my words are a song, direct arrow to the point. I tell you singing, you are strong, brave, as a servant of Adam. I trust in him, not in man, because in the end man fails, but he will guide you. With the eye as your shield, nothing will stop you. With the eyes as your shield.
Don't put your trust in those who dress themselves in power. Do not put your trust in those who dress themselves in power, because man makes mistakes he cannot understand, because he wants to find his own way, as Jeremiah 17:5 said well, and it says it very clearly. Cursed is the man who has trusted another man. Your Elohim is strong, he is your ever man. Your Elohim is never the man. Your Elohim is strong, you refuge, you'll know without the red. With Yah as your shield, nothing will stop you.
Isaiah 53 speaks of the Messiah who will come. He is not of flesh and bones, but in the spirit he will be. With trumpet of shofar he will announce his arrival, and with joy and gladness he will call his people. In difficult times confusion will reign, but the servants of God must keep holiness so as not to fall into confusion. Clean Tel Aviv, Haifa, Nazareth and Jerusalem, because his holy land is also holy to the Lord. In fasting and prayer we have to go into this unfaithful desert. Searching for the truth that we must find with wisdom. Listen well, do not be deceived, for the storm will come for those who do not want to look. Netanyahu, my thoughts rise to heaven. My message is clear, direct and without restraint. Listen well, my words are a song, direct arrow to the point. I tell you singing, you are strong, brave, as a servant of Adam. I trust in him, not in man, because in the end man fails, but he will guide you. With the eye as your shield, nothing will stop you. If you don't listen, you'll be like the fool who is lost, the deaf and the mute when the storm rages. But if you